What's up, everybody, and welcome to your standing abs, core, and cardio workout here at Savannah. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share this incredible place with you. I'm going to put all the details in the description below, but you must stay here. If you want relaxation, you want rest, you want to recharge, this is the spot for you. Guys, let's get started with today's workout and feel that burn. Okay, everybody, let's get started. So bring those weights straight out in front of you. We're going to squeeze the weight in towards the side of your chest. So slight bend in the knee. Bring those arms all the way out and bring it from side to side. We've got 40 seconds of exercise. You got a 20-second rest. And I'm telling you, all you got to do is keep on following along. You want to get results right now. You want to sculpt that core. You want to get a toned ab muscles all the way through from the top to the bottom and those obliques. This is the workout that you are going to want to do. And you are going to finish it as well. Because remember, the results at the end of the rainbow. That's where you find all the prizes, right? It's going to be at the end. So let's just stay connected, stay focused, and bring our intention of what we are going to achieve from today's workout when we just show up and we go all the way through to the end. So do not quit on me. All the way up and release. Okay, 20-second rest. Make sure that one of your weights is off your mat. We're going to take it into wood choppers side to side. We're going to start off going over to the left side, bring it all the way through, and we're going to add in a little push as we get to the top of that right side. So you're going to come down to the ground, twist that core, bring the weight in towards your chest, push those arms out, and then bring it all the way back down. Here we go, 40 seconds on either side. Take it through, squeeze those glutes, push those arms nice and strong, and all the way down. So good, everybody. All right, we're focused, we're in this. Nobody is going to be left today behind on today's workout, because when we work together as a community, when we keep on showing up, when we push ourselves, we're going to find that physical ability right here is actually going to help with our mental at the same time. So let's keep on pushing forward. Show yourself that you are strong and that you can get through this workout, because in life, it's actually going to give you strength for your mentality as well. All right, take it all the way down, twisting up that core. Now keep those elbows lifted. Last one. And release. All right, we're going to take it straight over onto the other side. If in between you don't want a 20-second rest, you can bring those arms out and you can squeeze in and out, but make sure that you are giving yourself at least a 10-second rest in between each round. All right, we're going to take it all the way down to the ground on the other side. So really focus about those obliques, twisting, keeping those elbows lifted, push out and bring all the way in. Here we go. We've got this, everybody. Just a little tap down to the ground, push those weights out and squeeze. Now, I've got 5 pounds here. I could probably go up to 10, 15 pounds, but as I'm demonstrating for you today and talking all the way through, I'm using 5 pounds. But whatever you are using is perfect. What you want to do is you want to keep on increasing those weights so that you get stronger and that you don't hit that plateau. No, ladies, you are not going to bulk, right? You're not going to end up just, waking up looking like the Incredible Hulk one morning. All right, here we go. Take it all the way down. You've got less than 10 seconds. Pull that core in nice and tight. Push those weights out strong. Give me one more. Take it down and squeeze. Okay, we're going to take those weights over the top of our head. We're going to bring it down from side to side. So just really squeezing that core in nice and tight. You got 10 seconds. So take a quick sip of your water if you need it. See, I'm here right at Savannah Resort, absolutely beautiful location. We're going to take it all the way up to the top. So bring those weights up and then squeeze in and out. That's it. Keep breathing. Sometimes when we're exercising, we just hold our breath sometimes, right? What we do not want to do is hold our breath. We want to keep on breathing, getting that oxygen through to our muscles. Going to make sure that we do not get dizzy. So push that weight up nice and tight and then bring that weight all the way behind you. Think about squeezing those elbows together, pulling that core in nice and tight. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. That's it. Here we go. Inhale and exhale all the way up. Push through and squeeze. You've got 10 seconds right here. Can you twist just a little bit further using those obliques for 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going to hold on to one weight still. We're going to bring it across the body. So you're going to use your opposite arm to opposite leg. You're going to hold this weight here. You're going to squeeze, bringing that elbow in towards, so left elbow, right elbow, left knee, and then pull it all the way out. Really working on that core stability. So little to no weight in that foot right here. So squeeze and then extend. A little bit of an arm workout as well at the same time. Also squeezing those glutes, but controlled. Here we go, squeeze, inhale and exhale. You've got this. Really crunch that core, twisting it across, bringing that elbow all the way through to the knee. You're doing so good, everybody. Come on, let's keep this work going. Stay strong, stay in the zone, stay focused. Every single rep makes such a difference to how your body is gonna feel at the end. So can you push a little bit further? You got 10 seconds left on this side. Let's keep this going. Energy is here. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, we're gonna take it over to the other side. If you need water at any time, just try and sip water instead of putting me on pause or swearing at me, that I know that some of you guys do, right? We just want to keep on working through, and each time that you do this workout, it's going to get easier. But if you put it on pause, you're never going to know how much you are improving. Let's extend that arm up and then squeeze across the body and all the way through. Here we go. Squeeze and extend. That's it. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything up. Squeeze and extend. You're doing so good, everybody. Little to no weight on that foot that is tapping down onto the ground. Just pulling that core nice and tight. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. Pull that core in. Come on, little tap over to the side. Breathe. You've got this. Come on. Every single rep is gonna make a difference. You're almost through this first 10 minutes. You've got 10 seconds left to go on this side, pushing a little bit harder. Come on, squeeze that core in. We've got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, we are going to come down to the ground. We've got a couple of exercises on the ground right here. We're going to take it into some mountain climbers across the body. So we're either going to do a modified version right here, coming down onto your knees. You're going to take it across the body. You can take it up onto your toes right here, or we can add in a fun little weight at the same time. So up here, you're gonna take it across, bring that weight over to the other side, and then take it across. That's it. So squeeze, pulling that weight underneath, and then taking it into across the body mountain climber. Pull that core in nice and tight, straight line from your head to your hips, all the way through. That's it. Push down into those hands, squeeze that core across, pulling that belly button in, and you've got this. Come on, stay strong, stay focused. You're doing so good. Do not quit now. Pull that core across. You've got this. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out, and let's go. Breathe. Come on, push those feet down onto the ground. You've got less than 10 seconds to go. Here we go. Do not quit. We've got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, we're gonna take it into a full sit-up with your arms all the way up over the head. And we're gonna take it into, in fact, we're gonna start off with our straight bicycles. So you're gonna bring those weights straight up ahead of you, bring those knees in, lifting up through your chest, arms over the top of your head, and you're gonna take straight bicycles right here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try and bring that chest a little bit higher. Now, the more that you bring your knees in towards you, the easier it's gonna be. So if you wanna make it more challenging, you bring your arms higher over the top of your head, and then you bring your knees further away from you. You're gonna feel that core on fire. If you're not feeling it right now, bring those knees further away from you. Bring those arms over the top of your head and stay strong. You are over halfway. 20 seconds is already done. Prove to yourself right now that you can finish this, that you can keep on going. That's it. Extend those legs a little bit longer. Bring those knees further away from you. Bring those arms up over the top of your head. You've got this. Here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, we're gonna bring those weights right here, tuck that core underneath. We're gonna take it into a full sit-up with those weights right here. So bring it all the way up, extend here. Now, make it a little bit easier. You can use the momentum of the weights over the top of your head. If you wanna make it more challenging, you're just gonna bring those weights straight in front of your face, and we're gonna lift up in 3, 2, 1, here we go. So lift up, squeeze that core, and then gently all the way down to the ground. Here we go. Push those heels into the mat, lifting up through your chest. Now take it down, vertebrae by vertebrae, all the way down to the ground. Bring those weights straight in front of you, and then lifting up, sending those weights above your head. Here we go. You've got this. So good, everybody. Keep squeezing. Inhale through your nose and exhale everything out. You've got this. Come on. What are you made of today? Are you going to finish this workout? The answer, just say yes and then complete it. It's that simple. You want to finish the workout? You say, I'm going to finish the workout, and then we're just going to do exactly that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, you're gonna grab hold of your other weight right here, and we're gonna take it into a little Russian twist with our elbows. So you're gonna bring those elbows right here, you're gonna pull it back, and you're gonna squeeze, you're gonna tap that elbow down onto the ground. Modified version, you can bring both down to the side and make it a little bit more challenging. We're gonna take 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and squeeze. So tap and then all the way up. That's it. Bring that elbow down onto the ground and pull. Slow and controlled. As soon as you've tapped that elbow down onto the mat, you're going to push that weight and squeeze all the way up through to the chest. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Come on. You've got this. Do not quit now. You have just got 20 seconds left. Get those obliques on fire. Everything is working. You are toning and sculpting your core with every single rep. You've got to push for it. You've got to work for it. Here we go. Come on. 10 seconds. Lifting up through your chest. Keep those elbows up. And you've got this. Let's count down with me for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And gently release. Woo! Amazing work, everybody. Well, there is your first 10 minutes of our incredible ab workout with weights today. If you love this, then you're going to love the full version of the app. Make sure you go check it out. BTES with Rebecca-Louise, available on iOS, desktop, and Android. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay healthy, stay positive, stay happy, and I'll see you on our next workout. Bye, guys. Mwah.